Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram search suggestions while typing. Go into the Instagram app. Click on Menu on the top right corner. Click on Your Activity. Then press Recent Searches. Click to clear all. Now go back and click on Settings. Then click on Help. Click on Report a Problem. Type, please help me with Instagram search suggestions. I want to remove it, thank you, etc. Then click on Send. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.